And I'm here on location today talking to Melissa June. She's the co-artistic director of the South Georgia Ballet. And the closer that we get to Thanksgiving, the closer they get to their ballet production of the Nutcracker. So Melissa, let's talk about this. You guys have been rehearsing for this for a long time. Do you think everybody's ready?
I surely hope so. All the dancers have been doing a very good job. Everything's starting to come together and, getting in their body and getting a little more refined, and it's just turning into a spectacular show.
Well, let's talk about this. Of course, I said it's close to Thanksgiving. It's traditionally Thanksgiving weekend.
It is, and we love to do that because it starts off the holiday season with a bang. This is such a beautiful tradition to take your family to, bring the whole family and all the kids, and start off after Thanksgiving and start off your Nutcracker season.
All right, and that's going to be on a Saturday and Sunday. Give us the times for the performances.
We'll be performing Saturday at Municipal Auditorium at 7:30. And Sunday at 2:30, and we also have two special school matinees that we do December 2nd, one at 9:30 and one at 12:15.
And tickets for this, I know they're available. Should we purchase them in advance, or will they be available at the door?
Yes, ma'am. We've got lots of options. You can go to www.southgeorgiaballet.org. You can call 378-ARTS, or you can get them at the door. Ticket prices range from $10 to $20, so nice range for everybody.
Okay, great, Melissa. Stay tight. I'm going to ask you a few more questions, but let's talk with Maria. Maria, this is your first year playing Claire. Are you excited?
Yes, ma'am, I really am.
And you have danced in several of these Nutcracker ballets. How many has it been now?
This will be my 7th season of Nutcracker.
And you've been, I don't know how many different characters in this production.
From the beginning, I started out as a little gumdrop, so it's been really nice to see me progress up to this.
And I know you've always dreamed of playing Clara. What little girl hasn't dreamed of being Clara in the Nutcracker?
I know. It's such an honor to play it because I know that little young girls look up to me, and so it's nice to be a role model for them.
And what do you think you're going to bring to this year's performance?
I think from former years, I just really enjoy the whole partnering and rehearsing and everything, and I just take joy in refining it, making it perfect.
Okay, and I know you've been working hard, and of course, as you said, you're a role model for these little girls. Tell me about maybe what they've been saying to you as they see you out there on stage.
It's just so sweet because, whenever I'm dancing, I just see, young girls staring at me, and I'm like, oh.
Yeah. That used to be you. Well, stay tight up. Thank you very much, Maria. And Melissa, let's talk about this. As we said, it's an annual tradition for South Georgia Ballet, so what can we expect that's new this year?
Well, we have a beautiful performance planned. Miss Emily Chapeau, our ballet mistress, and myself, and Miss Allison Bundrick, the other co-artistic director, have brought a whole new life to the ballet. So you'll see lots of different choreography, things that, a lot of people might say, oh, I've seen it before, but this year we have so much new choreography and costumes. It's really going to be stunning.
And what I always enjoy when I'm here is I see the party guests. These are people we know. These are our neighbors and people we work with.
Yes, we have lots of adult party guests, and we have a new mother, Ginger. And these party guests and adults come from Cairo and from Thomasville and Moultrie. So it would be really nice to have a lot of people come out and see some of their neighbors and community members.
And, of course, this is a production that takes place because of all the great sponsors. Let's talk about who's helping you with this.
Of course, we could not do these shows without our sponsors, and we're so thankful to them. Harvey's is our season sponsor, so they help us out through our whole season, and Thomas County Federal is our show sponsor. So you'll see their names, and please come and support. We're so, so gracious to them for helping us.
And again, let's talk about those tickets. The website that we can purchase tickets on?
It's www.southgeorgiaballet.org, or you can call 378-ARTS.
All right, and of course this will be at the Municipal Auditorium.
Yes, ma'am, Municipal Auditorium here in Thomasville.
And those dates one more time.
It's November 30th, which is a Saturday at 7:30, and December 1st at 2:30.
Okay, thank you, Melissa.
Thank you.
And thank you, Maria. Good luck, everybody. Good luck with the performance.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, South Georgia Ballet. The Nutcracker is something great to do at Christmas. Another great thing to do at Christmas is think about those in need. The Children's Advocacy Center, also known as